Welcome to Touch Technology Review. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use HDR video footage inside Davinci Resolve. This is suitable for those of you using HDR video footage coming from a professional video camera or even the HDR video that you might shoot with an iPhone. By default, your Davinci Resolve project will be set to Rec 709. The footage that we're going to be using will be Rec 2020 color space. So we need to use a color transform tool to transform to the Rec 2020 color space. So to convert our HDR footage, we're going to click on the color menu item below. We're going to create a new node by right-clicking on the existing node and clicking on Add Serial Node. And then we're going to go to the top right-hand corner and we're going to search the effects and look for the color transform effect and drag it onto the new serial node that we've just created. Now that we've done this, we're going to select Rec 2020 as our color space and then Rec 2100 HLG scene as the input gamma. And then we are going to go down to the levels and adjust our levels until we get the right brightness and contrast, shadows and highlights to bring back all the detail in the footage. If you're going to be using multiple clips on the timeline, it will be easier to create an adjustment layer, apply the color transform effect onto the adjustment layer, and then all the clips that you've got underneath the adjustment layer will be affected by that single transform. Makes it much easier and more time efficient. So hopefully you found this information helpful. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments box below. And by all means, if you enjoyed this video, hit me up with a like and consider subscribing to the channel. See you on the next one. Bye for now.